Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you about our purchase report. So for that, first of all, we need to go in reports module. So you need to click on browse modules, and then after you need to click on reports and intelligence. Once you will come in reports and intelligence, please check here is the list of segments. So I will go to the purchase side. Now in my purchase, there are purchase order register, item wise, invoice register, then after debit note register, delivery challan, purchase return register, RFQ register, and supplier rating report. There is an indent register item wise report as well. So these reports you can very well use as per your requirement to go ahead and check the entire purchase data. How you can generate the report? You need to click on generate report here. Then after you can make the selection as per your requirement, and your creation date of the document, from to delivery date, company name, stored currency, and you can very well go ahead and check the overdue goods services as well. So this is how you can go ahead and just apply some of the filters in the purchase report, and then after you can click on generate report. It will provide you all the info of the purchase orders which are raised. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and check the purchase reports. Have a good day ahead.